All right, guys. So she folded in two, and we're gonna clap it. Oh, ha!
No,
It's too hot.
you're gonna clap it, boy.
Hi, my peeps. What's up, Wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Yes, and we at it again. My neighbor, she's Guyanese, and she's supposed to come and help me make them roti. Yeah? But anyhow, we're gonna start off, and she better come help me. So, guys, we're gonna make some Guyanese style roti, quick and easy. All right. First time I'm doing it. I'm going to make mine a little bit sweet. You don't have to put the sugar, all right? I'm going to put a tablespoon of sugar. And I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon salt. And here I have half teaspoon yeast. And this is the dry active yeast. And I have 3 teaspoon baking powder. And I'm going to whisk this together. I have my olive oil. And I'm going to put like a tablespoon. I have about 1.5 cups of warm water from the top. Guys, you want to make it a little bit soft. Alright, you don't want to make it too hard. So we're going to start off. And I'm going to go in with my hands. Alright guys, this is how you want it. You see it? Mushy like and soft. You don't want it to be tough. Jamaican girl need flour, alright? So basically you want to get it like this. Look at that, guys. You don't want it too hard. Alright guys, after about 3 to 4 minutes of kneading, this is what you get. I don't want it to dry out, so I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil on top. A little bit. And you want to rub it over. Put a little in the bottom. Okay. 25 minutes to half an hour, and then we're going to come back. Dust it lightly with some flour. And I'm going to take out the goodness. Look at that, guys. Woo. Yeah. Whoop. And I'm just going to knead it a little bit. I'm going to cut it in 2. I hope that's 2. We're going to cut it in small pieces, all right? Cut it in 2 again. And you just want to cut it. I'm going to cut that. Cut this piece in 2. Dust it with flour. And what you want to do, guys, you just want to knead it a little bit. You pinch it like that, guys. No, guys, professional take over. She went that way, but I went the other way.
You see everything gonna come.
Yeah, I do like that too. Yes, I did that too. All right.
I gotta flat it out.
Flat it out first, guys.
You gotta cook roti steady for me, okay?
Alright, guys, so we flatten it out.
Yeah, we're gonna
make it really flat.
I may see how this side of the roti tastes.
Now she's cutting it with her finger. Oh dear. Hey, slowly. She roll in a circle, and then when you reach here, she fold it over and tuck it in, and tuck it right in And then she tucked the top in as well. She made those for me already. My Guyanese friend. Dust it with a little bit of flour. And then we're gonna roll it. Alright guys, the next thing I'm gonna take a little bit of I put some olive oil in it and some of my canola oil. Alright, and I'm just gonna brush it lightly. I don't use too much oil guys, but if you're into oil, you put more. I'm gonna try to do it with my finger like she did. I did it guys, and you just want to roll. When you reach here, just pick it up, wrap it over, and tuck it in. Put a little oil on your finger, and you just want to tuck it in. I'm gonna leave them for 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'll come back. And we're repeating the process. Stretch it out, and we're gonna roll it, and now we're gonna put it on the fire. All right, and she's gonna repeat the process, guys. Okay. All right, after that, coming over here, spread it out. A little bit of oil. Put a little. There. And she turn it over, and I'm gonna brush it again. And that's how you flip it over. Oh yeah, that's how we want it. Okay guys, with a little bit of brown spot, not too much. So now
why don't you tell the guy they're gonna take your hand and craft it now?
It's
Okay,
done?
done.
All right, now it's done guys.
Okay,
she fold it in two. Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh my god. Woo! Look at that guys.
Okay.
Can you see all the pieces, all the layers? Look at that guys. Look at the goodness. All right guys, we put it in the pan, and now I'm gonna brush it with a little bit of oil. Yeah, I'm learning guys. It's the first I'm doing it ever. Okay, and my girlfriend is teaching me. She's very fast, a fast teacher.
You want to go
and I see she spin it like this guys. Once you see the bubbles start come, you flip it over again. Okay guys, there. Oh, it smells so good. And I put the stove at 5.5 guys. 5.5 cook it really good. Alright guys, this side is done. You want it just like that. Fold it in two.
This.
Ooh. Oh. Okay. Alright. There it is guys. That's 2 down. Alright guys, we're gonna do the rest of them like this. If you don't want to cook all and you have a small family, you can put it in a bowl and put it in the refrigerator for the next day. And then when you're ready to use it, you put it in the microwave for like 10 seconds, and then you just knead it.
Or you leave it out for an hour.
Or you leave it out for a little bit. So this is my curry, and you know the kids eat some already, and I'm gonna pour some here. And I made it with lots of gravy so you can eat the roti. Oh yeah. And we're gonna put it over here. Guys, that's my roti. What roti is it, Shelly?
Paratha roti.
Paratha roti with my curry chicken breast, with lots of Irish, lots of onions, scallion, and all of that. That's the goodness. That's my Jamaican curry with my Guyanese bus up shot roti, paratha roti. Ah, look at that, guys. Can you see it? my Guyanese girlfriend helped me out. Alright guys, you know long me I tell her to show me, but finally, look at that guys. Alright, come on over here. I'm gonna put it, you're gonna use your hand. Oh.
You pass this stuff.
Me pass? She said me pass, guys.
Nice. Yes. Thank you, sister.
Bye guys.